Yes, family, blessed love. Once again, I don't know. This is Amlak with Square Scene. Give thanks for joining us on the RSR network. We know they love the vibes, and we are asked the item to continue to like, subscribe, and share. Scene, subscribe to the channel because we realize that a lot of people that are watching the videos are actually people that are not subscribed. Scene, so make sure so you go check out the videos, subscribe, like, and share. All right. Today this video is basically about pimento. See, the Americans know it as allspice, and yeah, we want to see what go on. A lot of people don't realize that pimento grow up on tree. See, so this video today we're gonna be showing y'all where we get the pimento from, what it looks like on the tree, and what it looks like, what is the process of drying it to make it look like, you know, the little black seed then before you drop it in on a pot, cook on a stew, cook on a soup, cook on a food, whatever you use allspice for, whatever you use pimento for. See? So you don't know, check this video out and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See? Salute. Yeah, today we have picked some allspice, known in Jamaica as pimento. That's it. Yeah. So if you need a pimento, make your pot taste good, put in your soup, put in anything really. Grind and turn in a black pepper. This is what we use. This is what they use to make the black pepper. They grind the allspice. This is a tree. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know the farm. Cut the drum yesterday. It's allspice, yeah. Pimento. Nature's blessing, you know. Nature's blessing, allspice. Today, allspice day. Bless.
Happy belated birthday to me. Jeez. Yeah, from other people them say happy belated birthday to me. We'll never get to say happy birthday. What is YouTube?
Yeah. YouTube.
YouTube never tell me happy birthday.
Say happy birthday. Happy belated. And we gonna use the wood to grill our fish. You know the thing there.
Yeah.
Happy belated birthday to the one and only. Fish. Yes. Yeah, this is just a little pimento vibe, you know. Yeah. And that was basically a little tip of the iceberg. Go pick some more, leave more and dry. So if you want your allspice, if you want your pimento seed, then link.